Get Spooktacular at home. 5 DIY Halloween activities for you. As Halloween approaches, it's time to add some eerie excitement to your home. I thought it would be fun to share some DIY Halloween activities you can enjoy in the comfort of your own home. Pumpkin carving contest. Gather the family and create a mini pumpkin carving competition. Get creative with your designs, and don't forget to roast the pumpkin seeds for a tasty treat. You can even make it a virtual event and invite friends and family to join in via video call. Mason jar lanterns. Create eerie glowing lanterns by painting mason jars with spooky faces. Place battery-operated tea lights inside to cast an eerie glow in your home or on your porch. These lanterns are simple yet wonderfully effective. Witchy potion bottles. Collect empty glass bottles and jars, then transform them into witchy potion bottles. Paint them in dark and mysterious colors, label them with spooky potion names, and add some faux spiderwebs or creepy crawlies for extra flair. They make great additions to your Halloween decor. Candy corn vases. Turn empty glass bottles into candy corn-inspired vases. Paint the bottles in the iconic candy corn colors, white, orange, and yellow. Once they're dry, use them to display your favorite Halloween flowers or spooky branches. Spooky treat baking. Whip up some Halloween-themed treats in the kitchen. Bake ghost-shaped cookies, decorate cupcakes like jack-o'-lanterns, or make mummy hot dogs for a frightfully delicious snack. Remember, Halloween is all about having fun and making lasting memories. These DIY activities will add a touch of spookiness to your home during this spooky season. If you're considering making a move this fall or have any questions about real estate in your area, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you with all your real estate needs, no matter the season.